Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Right now, we experience the different fusion drinks, and do you know that palitaw can become a latte? Yummy drinks with a twist. That's only here, the palitaw latte, only here served by the 5 and 2 Coffee House here in Quiapo, and it is an honor. With us is the chef supervisor, no other than Engelbert Gel Rosario. Nakaka-curious being a Filipino that you promote the delicacy na kinakain natin mga Pilipino, like the merienda of palitaw, palitaw latte drinks, and what other fusion drinks, the unique taste of 5 and 2 Coffee House.
Ito sa palitaw latte na common po na kinakain po natin ng mga Pilipino, we offer din po sa fusion drinks po like ube latte latte, mango latte.
Imagine yung ube latte natin ay pwede na rin siya fusion drinks.
And also pandan latte po. Some of the drinks ingredients, and also we promote po local drinks, and some drinks and pastries ay meron din pong twist with the Filipino taste.
So talagang yung mga local culture, local cuisine delicacies natin. Here, pakipan mo yung 5 and 2 Coffee House para we help the local entrepreneur to promote on the part of the tourism, gastronomy here in Quiapo area na makikita nyo na strategic yung location nila. Sir, lastly, can you invite doon sa mga viewer natin na interested to visit, ano po yung address nito at ano yung landmark para mapunta sila dito?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Gel Chief Supervisor. Ini-invite po namin kayo na bumisita po at magpasok sa aming coffee house po here in 5 and 2 Coffee House na located po sa 512 Quezon Boulevard. Pagtawid lang po siya from Quiapo Church.
So yun yung the nearest landmark na. And again, congratulations dito sa brilliant idea na husband is really catch the attention. Imagine palitaw, not a palitaw, the typical dapat palitaw latte na talaga naman na kumbaga hindi yung lasa niya is very naman talaga nakaka-curious, and talaga naman masasabi natin na certified 100% yung taste niya ay approved.
And also, as na ininom na po talaga siya is talagang mapipil po natin ng pagka-Filipino po talaga natin. Even na may iba-iba po tayo, mostly religion, pero when it comes in drinks po, mapipil po natin na 100% Pinoy po talaga.
The commonality that we are all Filipino, live here in the Philippines. Yan po ang ating short visit dito sa 5 and 2 Coffee House. Again, thank you, Sir Gel, the Chef Supervisor of 5 and 2 Coffee House here in Quiapo area. This is MJ Albina Balaguer of Dawa Sakat Makabuluhang Journalismo, Your Happiness Channel.